This your girl, Tony Tanetta. I'm here, of course, doing another gardening video. Today, I'm actually, as you can see, I'm walking. I'm walking to actually fill, I have this, I'll show you the plastic bin shortly because I got all this stuff in my hand. But I'm going to fill this plastic bin to start my little, put some dirt in it so I can plant some plants in it when I get back. And so, of course, if you are following the gardening journey, of course, hopefully you've seen the seeds and me planting the seeds and the mini greenhouses and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully you've seen that already. If you have not, go check out the doggone video. So make sure you, of course, subscribe to the channel. And, of course, click the notification bell to receive all the videos uploaded from this point here on out. Of course, like I said, I'm building my healing garden. Because gardening, of course, putting your hands in the dirt and all that kind of stuff is healing anyway. It's nature. So like I said, I'm definitely just getting started. And I'm making my first actual, and I have this big old giant bin. It's like one of those clothes bins or comforter bins that you have in your house. I got it from Walmart the other day. It's clear, but I got it from Walmart the other day. It was like, I think it was like $8 or $9, I want to say is what it was. So like I said, y'all, I gotta sit out here. I saw some videos on YouTube, of course, talking about how to start packing your bin and that kind of thing, so you won't fill the entire bin up full of dirt, because that will be expensive. I can tell you that. So it said to start with putting rocks on the bottom, and then of course packing it with like if you have some of those strawberry those are containers that strawberries come in, strawberries or any other kind of fruit or vegetable. They like those little small, little flimsy, little plastic little things, the little containers that they come in. So they said that you can use those and that kind of things. Hi, Miss Linda. You can use those kind of things as well. So like I said, definitely I'm coming out here to get the rocks. I'm hoping these rocks aren't that big, because if it's so, it's going to be too heavy for me to actually take back to the house. So let me flip this on around so y'all can see what I'm doing. Like I said, I got this big bin. It's a, oh, I forgot to take off the what is it called? The sticker. So, but it's one of those big old giant mini quart size bins. As you can tell, this is at least like 1.5 feet. Ah, is that a bee, Lord? Girl, yeah, I have no idea how the hell I'm be gardening. I'm scared of bees. All right. Oh my God. So I got my gardening gloves, the gloves I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on now, y'all. Lord have mercy, Jesus. What in the world? I got to set this down, y'all, because I can't even do nothing with this in my hand. I got to set this down, so you just wait a minute. Like I said, y'all, I have no idea how I'm going to start gardening. And me and bees just don't get along, y'all. I'm trying my best. Trying my best, y'all. Trying my best to make this stuff happen, huh? So like I said, I'm about to pack this with some rocks, y'all. I'm not going to get big giant rocks because, like I said, I'm going to have to carry this back home. So I'm just going to put some at the bottom. And my partner has already drilled 9 holes. As you can see, the holes, 9 holes at the bottom, the drainage holes. So I can have those as well. So like I said, we're going to fill this bad boy up with what I can. And then, like I said, try to get this going. So we're going to see. We'll see, y'all. I'm trying not to get too many big bricks, big rocks, or whatever it's called. I don't know. Uh-oh. Hello, how you doing? So try not to put too many in there, because like I said, I have to carry it back and actually get it filled. And what I'm actually going to put in here, I'm actually, uh-oh. Let me just turn the camera back on me. I'm just filling up this this bin. Let me, I got to get my glove off my finger. I mean, my hand. So what's going inside this bin, y'all, is actually just going to be, that's why it's so big. So I'm putting melons in it. I'm making some is it sugar baby watermelons? The small watermelons. I'm putting those in there. That's why I'm making this bin big. Those and some cantaloupes. So like I said, this should be interesting, I'm sure. I'm very, very sure. So let me find some smaller rocks, y'all, because I don't want these big old rocks. Hoping I'll pick up a bug, y'all. So, cause y'all gonna hear me screaming up on this thing. Like, Lord Jesus, I done picked up a bug. Like I said, I'm just walking around trying to, like I said, get this thing filled up, y'all. Let me go ahead and turn this camera back around for y'all so y'all can just see me, like I said, filling up this bin, because that's all I'm going to be doing instead of talking the whole time. So y'all can see this thing filled up, y'all. And I haven't got there yet. I'm trying to fill up the bottom row full of rocks. Like I said, I got some in there already, but I don't have many. But I'm trying to find some smaller ones so I won't have all these giant ones. Because I'm out here by myself today. So, looking for some little bit more smaller ones. Let me see if I can find any smaller ones. Any more smaller ones, rather. There's one. Please don't be a bug on it. Goodness gracious. Meat and bug. Lord Jesus. Girl. Smaller rocks, smaller rocks, smaller rocks. All right. Okay. Look, if I may have to get bigger ones. We'll see. And somebody has a big pile of brush or, I don't know, trees or whatever it is down there too. So I'm going to have to use some of that too. Okay, here's some more rocks. I'll have to get some more. I may have to bring that bin over here, y'all. But I got some more rocks too. Uh-oh. Yeah, I may have to move this over some. May have to move this over some. Yeah, this going to be heavy as I don't know what, taking it back. All right. So, that's going to be a journey. They didn't tell me about the heaviness of this now. Didn't tell me that at all. Didn't tell me that at all. All right. I think I'm just going to put a few more down here. A few more, y'all, because that's kind of heavy to carry back, actually. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Put that in there. And like I said, I'm going to go down here and get some of this. Let me get a few more. Nothing up under there, is it? Okay. I don't want to be running down here screaming at Colonel. All right. I'm going to grab this and go down here, y'all, because like I said, there's a big pile of whatever this is, trees and all this kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'm going to get some of this too. Hopefully there's no bugs in it, I'm hoping, because I'm, like I said, scared of bugs, y'all. But gardening, I'm going to have to get used to that. I'm going to have to get used to that, y'all. I'm just getting a little bit of, they said that like any kind of trees or branches or anything like that that you may have to put in there too. So that's what I'm doing. Uh-oh. That is what I'm doing, y'all. Okay. This don't look all that hot, but whatever. I don't know. That's what they said do. I don't know. I want to fill up the doggone bin, y'all. That's what I'm doing. So we'll see. I actually probably should have asked the people over there for some of that hay. Because they have, like, I'm sure, leftover hay or... Oh, now I got something on for my sock. Got some more little stuff, y'all. Like I said, so far, this is all I have in here. But I have more. I have some, what is that? I made my own compost. So I have some of that at home as well. So I'm going to be using that. And I have a bag and a half of dirt. So I'll use what I have at home and see how filled I can get this, y'all, okay? I don't know about that. Let me see if I can find some other kind of... Because this is more of like these tree things. Tree limbs, tree stems. I don't know what they're called, y'all. This stuff. Looks like hay almost. But it's coming from that tree back there. I'll get some of this. I'll get some of this. And I think that's what this stuff down here is too, just small pieces. So I'll get some of that. And I know I need some more. Well, there's some by that tree too. You walk back down and get some more, y'all. Goodness gracious. I knew this was going to be a lot, getting this thing started. I knew that, so... Like I said, I'm definitely trying my best to get it going and to get it to where I got a lot of this, y'all. And now I'm just walking it on back down. I'm putting it on into the bin. I got something in my darn sock. What is that? Goodness gracious. Okay. Okay, so let me get some more sticks and stuff. This looks like a bird nest, y'all. A doggone bird's nest. As y'all can see, it looks like a bird nest. All right. All right. I'm just putting, like I said, little sticks and stuff in her, y'all. Ooh, I don't know if y'all not in turn with the camera. Y'all can't even see what's going on. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the end of this. I'm going to have to actually film back when I get back in the house. I got to get this bin back to the house. I'm not going to put too much more stuff in here because this is a lot. I guess I put it that way because it's a lot to find and because these little trees have little thorns and stuff like that in it. So I'm going to just go ahead and go home and start putting my own stuff that I already have in the house in there so I can show y'all that next. So I'll be walking to the house, y'all. Like I said, I'm cutting this off. So I'll be right back with you.